Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with another Quickie Stickii unboxing. No, it's been a minute since we did these. The only reason why is because I didn't like the packs that they were previewing, the themes that they showed. I didn't want those, so that's why it's been a minute. But now we're back because I found a pack I liked. So here we go. I literally stopped all the crafting I'm doing. I'm like 4 videos in right now. You guys be prepared. You asked me for videos, you're getting videos. But I stopped all that because I wanted to open this up. So let's just get into it. This is only the one. I only got the vintage pack this time. I didn't want the cute pack or the pop pack. So let's see what we got because I don't remember what the theme was. Also, there's like an open bottle of this Distress Resist spray, which is essentially just glue. And it makes me very nervous. So that first. As you can see, I didn't even open this yet. I'm going to use this envelope in a video, like, immediately. So, what do we have? The theme is Long May She Reign. Yes. Excited for this. They do like an email newsletter where they tell you what the theme is going to be, and they give you like a little tiny preview so that you can opt out if you want to. And I always like check because I don't want a pack of stickers I know I won't use, but then I can never recall like even a smidge of what I've seen when it comes time to like unbox these. I think like the preview comes up around the 25th and then they ship out by the 11th, but in those like 13-14 days, those 2 weeks, I have no idea what the heck I saw. So I don't even recall why I wanted this pack. It sounds like a great theme. Words are really hard. It sounds like a great theme for me, but I have no clue. This is a really pretty landscape. Ooh, okay. So it's like some rough cut. There's stickers for sure. Like vintage map, Camelot-y style. There's some heraldry, some jousting knights, just some like really cool little vintage random cutouts. These will make really great like collage material. And then looks like we got a little notebook. This says The Royal Album 1860. It's foiled, so that's nice. Ooh, it's a sticker, like a resist paper notebook. So you could stick your stickers in here, cut them out if you need them. This is actually really useful for like sticky tapes more than just like regular stickers, because regular stickers are kind of self-contained. But if you have like a tape and you don't want to use like the whole tape, but you like peel it off, you stick it down here, then you can cut out what you need and then just save it here. So that's a really neat little book. Also, this is a really great way to stick your stickers down and just like keep them for looking, and then maybe one day you'll use them if you're one of those people who has a little bit of sticker anxiety. Ugh. So let's see what we got. Alright, so first off the bat here, these are a Stickii Club design, and it looks like we just got some really great like vintage knights. I'm gonna say knights. Definitely knights. These are really wonky. Like, I really love this like medieval type of art style because they just do some of the craziest things. Ooh, I love this already. Love it. This is by Caitlin Kurlick. I don't know if you can see. Oh, it would be better without my fingers. So that's her handle. That's the artist. These are beautiful. Now I see why it's Long May She Reign, because Queen. This cool moth like sword. These are really nice. I love this. This would make like a really great little like tarot card, Queen of Swords type of deal. And then we got like the planner monthly number stickers. I really gotta figure out what to do with these because I now have a lot. And I don't plan, so like it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Ooh. These are by Anne Guynart and Gwyn Art. By this person. And they are like medieval type tarot cards, which is kind of on brand. So that's really nice. These are really pretty. I love this artwork. And I'm going to go look her up and see if she's actually releasing like a tarot deck or if these were just some one-offs. Because if they are, then I want it. Because this is beautiful. The artwork is beautiful. And then we got some of this super long crown washi, which is really nice. I would have rather had like different strips of stuff than just all this one pattern, because this pattern is kind of meh to me. But it is really nice washi, so it'll get used eventually. Ooh, and I love these too. These are from Una Julia. And they're like gothic princesses and sort of anime-ish. But look at how cool she is. These are so pretty and I love them. So yes, love this pack. I'm glad I got it. I absolutely have no memory of seeing this stuff, but I guess I did. Or I saw enough that I decided to get it. But these are really great. And I love these. These are kind of like modern meets medieval. I love the patterning. I need to do like a medieval style kit. And these are by Sibylline M. And that's her website. These are really pretty too. Excitement! And then the last thing, it looks like we got a card. Yeah, I can see the envelope. Ugh, how do I get in? Where's the tab? There is no tab. It's a bag. Okay. So we got like a vellum envelope, which is really pretty. And this really great card. It's foiled, which is a really great effect. This is really pretty. This is a keeper for sure. And this is by Hope Christofferson. And it's a blank card, so that's neat too. Woo! So I love this. These are really nice. Oh, it's going to look really nice in this envelope too. Like, that's not the best representation, but like, look. That's going to look really nice. Yeah, so this set was really nice. I'm really happy with this pack. Happy to do another Stickii Club unboxing. It's been a while, so I've missed these for sure. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little Quickie Stickii unboxing. Let me know what your favorite sheet was. And if you get this, you know, did you get the pop one this month? Did you like it? I wasn't interested, and I don't even remember what the theme was. So now I gotta go look up why I wasn't interested so I can remember. But yeah, I hope the next months are also equally cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stay till the end, I appreciate your face. And until next time, bye!